This video covers how to integrate Adblocker to your network. First, connect an Ethernet cable to your Wi-Fi router or the Ethernet switch. Now, connect the other end of this cable to the Ethernet port provided by the Adblocker. Once Adblocker is successfully connected to the network, it will acquire an IP address and display it on the screen. The way in which Adblocker works is by acting as a custom DNS server which blocks any request made to an online ad network. To start blocking ads, we essentially need to switch DNS servers off our devices to the address displayed on the Adblocker screen. The way in which Adblocker works is by acting as a custom DNS server which blocks any request made to an online ad network. To start blocking online ads, we essentially need to switch DNS server off our device to the IP address displayed on Adblocker screen. To switch DNS in OS X, open up System Preferences. Now, open up the network screen. Here in network screen, select the active internet connection. Make sure this connection is connected to Adblocker. Here, click on the advanced screen and switch to DNS section. On this section, click on the plus button and enter the address displayed on Adblocker screen. Here in this case, 192.168.0.31. We also add secondary DNS in case our Adblocker is down. Here I'm entering Google's public DNS. Click OK and apply. The Mac is now ready to banish online ads. The way in which Adblocker works is by acting as a custom DNS server which blocks any request made to an online ad network. To start blocking online ads, we essentially need to switch DNS server off our device to the IP address displayed on Adblocker screen. To change DNS servers in iOS, simply go to the settings. Tap on the active Wi-Fi connection. Make sure Adblocker is connected to this connection as well. Here, scroll down to the DNS settings. Tap to edit the DNS settings. Switch the setting to the one displayed on Adblocker screen. Here, in this case, 192.168.0.31. You may also add secondary DNS in case our Adblocker goes down. Go back and tap the connection again to make sure the setting persists. The device is now ready to banish online ads. The way in which Adblocker works is by acting as a custom DNS server which blocks any request made to an online ad network. To start blocking online ads, we essentially need to switch DNS server off our device to the IP address displayed on Adblocker screen. To change DNS servers in Android, we go to the setting and touch the active Wi-Fi connection. Make sure the Adblocker is connected to this connection as well. Tap on the Modify Network and check the Show Advanced option. Here, switch the IP settings drop-down to static. In this screen, edit the DNS1 value to the one displayed on Adblocker. Here in this case, 192.168.0.31. Make sure DNS2 is still populated with a valid DNS setting. This is to ensure we connect to the internet in case Adblocker is down. Hit save. The device is now ready to banish online ads. The way in which Adblocker works is by acting as a custom DNS server which blocks any request made to an online ad network. To start blocking online ads, we essentially need to switch DNS server of our device to the IP address displayed on Adblocker screen. To change DNS settings in Windows, we go to the control panel. At the control panel, we open the Network and Sharing Center. At the Network and Sharing Center, we select our active internet connection. We need to make sure Adblocker is connected to this connection as well. Here, click the Properties. At the Properties windows, we select Internet Version Protocol 4. Click on the Properties again and select Use the following DNS server addresses. Here, we enter the IP address which is displayed on Adblocker screen. In this case, 192.168.0.31. We also add an additional alternate DNS server. I'm using Google's public DNS. This is to make sure we have connectivity in case Adblocker goes down. Go ahead and OK and close all the other windows. Windows is now ready to banish all online ads.